Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 23rd of June 2014, we're looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500 US30, GER30, US oil, all on the daily, and once again, all with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, please let's go through the disclaimer. Stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Right, so let's go to the charts. Right, here we have gold. This is our main count right now, and what I'm looking at, I've actually just moved last Friday this wave 2 from, if you want to have a look, it was over here. So the wave 4 had been violated. As you can see, price went into the territory way above and knocking this off, and therefore this wave 2, which is the intermediate, I have moved across, and that's where I make my current main wave count. So still in a wave 3 of a primary, that's wave 3, which is the red in circles, and a wave 2 is in part of completion of an intermediate. So we're still looking for a move to come down. We can consider taking short positions, and I'll put in some short positions shortly within the day, and we could probably look if we're going to take a short at the low of 1305.18. That's the low of Friday, or if we want a little bit more conservative, we can take it at the low of wave 1, and any stop loss will be around this pink line at 1400, and exits are going to be 1144. Okay, fine. Let me give you an alternative count as well, which is also going downwards. I think I posted this on Friday to you. It says a triangle, and there we can have a 0, A, B, C, D, E, and the move to come down. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for price to come up, complete the wave C of the internal, and there's the A, B, C. So we're currently in a B position, B wave, for the price to come down at this level. It probably can come all the way down to this blue line where you can see this triangle formation, and then price will go back up. When price goes up, then we can take a short position and we can actually put our stop loss above here once again at the pink line, which is the 78.6 level, and then we can look for price to come all the way down. Conservatively also, we can take a stop loss, we can take an entry at the below this C line here at 1240 and come down. Anyhow, I've still got a bit of time before all these things happen, so no trades on there right now. Let's move to the next one. Was the SPX500 following the S&P 500. Once again, I need to reiterate that this is a CFD. Right now, so what we're looking at, as you know, we're on the daily chart. Things don't move that quickly, but still possibility for taking the necessary trades. All our trades have come into profits that we have taken, and what we're looking for now, we're looking for this wave 3 of the minor wave to actually be completed, and then we're going to take it to the wave 4. So our current situation is where are we right now? I'll break it down on the weekly chart so you can actually have a better look. We're in a wave 5 of a primary. There's 3, there's 4, and wave 5 of a primary, and primary is red and in circles, and then we move down to the intermediate. Intermediate is green, so we're in a wave 3 of an intermediate. Breaking that down further, we're in a wave 3 of a minor. Breaking that down further, we're in a wave 5 of a minute, which is blue and in circles. So this wave 5 will complete the wave 3 of the minor wave, of wave 3 minor, and therefore we're looking for the wave 4 then to continue to take out the rest of the other waves. So that's that for the SPX500. So until this wave 5 is completed here of the minute degree, not any trades that we can take right now. We can probably start projecting wave 4 to come down. So we're looking for wave 4 to come down to the 38.2 level or 23.6 level, and that's where possibly entries could occur, and we'll just have to follow through and wait for these things to complete. I mean, we can see right now price is holding at the 138.2 level, which is a valid location for prices to stop, so we could actually consider and start marking off our next moves for entries on the pullback. Okay, now let's move to the US oil. US oil, here we are with the US oil. Where are we in terms of the wave count? I'll have to go to a larger picture to be able to get it for you. And where do we stand right now? There is wave 2 of the intermediate of the cycle degree. So we're in a wave 3 of a cycle. That's black and in Roman numerals without bracket and without a circle. And we're in a wave 3 of a primary. Primary is red and in circles. Breaking that down further, you can see there's a wave 3 of an intermediate. Now I'll lock it down to the daily chart, and wave 3 of an intermediate, and that looks to complete. When we break that down further, we take it to the minor wave. The minor wave is pink. That's also in a wave 3, and the minute wave is in a wave 3, and we break that down as far as we can go down, and we can see there we're in a wave of possibly in a wave 4 of a minute or minute degree. Minute degree is black and Roman numerals and in brackets. So currently now we have a trade right now which we took at 101.22, riding the wave 3 of the minute degree. That's in blue and in circles, and our stop loss is at 96.34, and we're looking to exit this trade at the 161.8 level. So that's 111.14, and that's where we're looking for to end this trade, and that will be a good location to end that particular trade. Right now price is holding at the 100% level. If I make that a little bit bigger for you, holding at the 100% level of the minute degree, and you can see it's just there, but as you can see, price needs to go up a little bit further to actually complete that. So I'm pretty confident that we're going to hit the 161.8 level. It's going to take you a couple of days, of course, but let's just see what happens. Okay, fine, let's move to the next one, US30. I'm going to give you both counts right now. Right now, as you can see, we're in a wave 5 position of a primary degree, and the larger wave degree is a wave 3, which is the cycle degree. As you can see there, some black and Roman numbers. So a very interesting situation. We're seeing an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal will take place right now in the wave 5 position, and we're looking for price to when we break down the actual wave structure. So we have a primary wave 5 in position. Breaking that down further, we're in a wave 5 of intermediate, that's green and in brackets, and then breaking that down further, we're in a wave 3 stroke wave 4 of a minor degree. Minor degree is pink, and as you can see, there's 1, there's 2, and we're looking for price to come and hit that area. We haven't got any trades right now. We were expecting a pullback. It didn't come as far as we had expected, so the price just shot up and moved forward, and I think perhaps that we can start to take off these. Right, so I've taken out the ratio analysis for 2v1 to make it a little bit more clearer to you, and then what we can do, we're looking for price to go up and hit the 61.8 level, and that will be a valid way to come out, and then we're looking for price to come down, hit us on the wave 4, and that's where we're going to put some ratios in there. That will probably be the 38.2 level, and therefore complete. And then what's the interesting point about this ending diagonal? We're going to probably see how price reacts to the wave 4. If price is going to go under, that's throw under, and if price is going to go up, on a wave 5, meaning a throw over, and then we're going to see a sharp fall down all the way down. That can happen. I can also give you another alternative count, which is also important to validate. Just following through and not looking at an ending diagonal situation. Wave 3 of the larger wave degree completing the wave 5, which is the primary wave here, and we see 1, 2, 3, 4 of the smaller wave degree, which is the intermediate, and just to complete up there. So once again, I can take these structures off because we're not probably perhaps put them back on actually. So when price comes down, hits it, we take an entry and go up and put our stop loss a little bit more tighter. We can actually do that indeed, and that's what we could do, is put our stop loss around there. That's if we're going to take it on the wave 4 to come to ride it up. Okay, fine, let's move now to the German 30. German 30, here we go. We're in a wave 5 position. There's wave 3, wave 4 Roman numbers of a cycle degree, and the smaller degree structures is 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3 of an intermediate, of a primary, a wave 3 which is of a primary, which is red and in circles, and then breaking that down further, we have a 1, and there's the 2, and the 3 off the intermediate, which is green and in brackets, 1, 2, 3, which is a minor wave. So we're in a wave 4 off, there's the wave 4 at the bottom here, is where we entered off a minor wave, and you can see we entered at 9868. That's where our entry was. I can take that entry out because we haven't entered there, and right, so we're looking for our targets to come out of this potential trade at 10150, and that will be the 138 level, which will be a valid. We want to come out short, just a little bit shorter, because we don't want to be unnecessarily caught out like we were previously. So right now where we are, we're 23 pips into this potential trade. We need price to come up a little bit further to take us out accordingly and close that trade off. Okay, so I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.